Welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan, and welcome to episode 5 of my series of Baking Basics. We've shifted our focus over to cookies, and in last week's video I showed you guys how to make a very simple and easy sugar cookie recipe, which I will put the link to that in the description below, and it should also be popping up right here. But we just made sugar cookies, and usually sugar cookies are frosted. So today we are going to be making that frosting that goes on top. Now that frosting is a royal icing. It's a frosting that you can pipe and then will set and harden. We've used this recipe a lot on the channel, so it's definitely a staple for me. So if you're ready to learn how to make this royal icing, I too am royally ready. To make our royal icing, I have a stand mixer over here fitted with a whisk attachment. And then over here I have 3 eggs. However, we're only going to be needing the whites. So separate out your eggs, allowing the whites to go into your stand mixer. Now we want to beat these eggs until light and frothy, about 1 to 2 minutes. Once your egg whites are frothy, now on a low speed we want to slowly, and I mean slowly, add in 4 cups of powdered sugar. I really don't like powdered sugar. It just gets everywhere, and it just bothers me. And then you get a cloud. On low speed, add in 1 cup at a time and beat until glossy. This takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Our royal icing is ready. I beat it for about 6 minutes, and you can see how glossy it is, and it's also not too runny. This is the perfect consistency that we're looking for. The last thing I'm going to do is add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, just like the sugar cookies, the amazing thing about royal icing is that it too is super customizable. I went ahead, divided our icing into some different bowls, and then colored them some different colors. Now I have our sugar cookies from last week. These are fresh, don't worry. And now I'm going to frost them. Now whenever I use royal icing, I like to start by piping an outline around your cookie. Once the outline hardens, then you can go back and fill it in. This technique is called flooding. If there's any gaps or holes, you can use a toothpick to help smooth them out. And here we have our sugar cookies with our royal icing that we made today. This royal icing recipe is super simple. It's honestly foolproof. You just beat the eggs and then add powdered sugar until glossy. You can be creative with this, with the colors, with the flavor. You could add other extracts. And royal icing can be used outside of the cookie world. Royal icing has many different uses. You can use it to frost cookies just like this, or you could use it as almost an edible glue to help things stick together. If you happen to use this recipe on anything you make, please share with me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you have any other requests for another Celebrity Sweets, please leave it down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to share this video with someone who wants to learn how to make royal icing, who needs a new royal icing recipe, or if you want them to make you royal icing. But then they'd also need to make cookies, so then share last week's video with them too. Until next time, frost some cookies! I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this cute little donut right here. If you're looking for more content, up here's my latest video, and down here's what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you guys in the next video.